All right, we're back a quarter past 5 o'clock already on this Tuesday. And if you're just waking up and joining us, once again, we've got low clouds, a little bit of fog. We've actually come up a degree to 30 officially in town. The only concern here is sometimes you get the fog to condense a little bit and you could get what we call some freezing fog, or the notorious term black ice. And if that were to happen, watching on the bridges and overpasses again, there's nothing really falling from the sky, but it doesn't take much when you got the humidity at 92% to get a little of that going. And the bigger story is probably going to be the wind today. South-southeast 11. We've had gusts close to 20 at times already this morning, so it is going to be a little bit brisk, albeit warmer later this afternoon. All right, other temperatures even colder outside of the city. Lincoln right now 26. It's dropped all the way to 21 in Columbus this morning. Upper 20s, west central Iowa, Red Oak, and Clarinda just a touch warmer there at 30 degrees. And down in Maryville, Missouri, last report there coming in at 28. This is what it feels like, though, and it really depends kind of where your wind is at the top of the hour when the reports are taken. But it's as cold as 15 with the wind chill factor in Carroll. Omaha, we've actually come back up a little bit. Right now, you step outside, it feels like 21 with the combination of the temperature and the wind and current wind chill factor for both Lincoln and Fremont. That hasn't changed right now at 18. All right, once again, a lot of clouds moving across our skies from west to east, where you see the darker shaded gray underneath. Those are the low clouds and fog. And even above that, we've got some mid and high level clouds moving in. So it's probably going to be tough to break the overcast again today, and that could ultimately have a say-so in how warm we get this afternoon. I still think we're definitely warmer than the low 30s that we were stuck with all afternoon yesterday, but again, with the wind, it's going to feel a little bit cooler than what your actual air temperature would indicate. All right, a lot of us start off in the 20s this morning to about 30 degrees. You can see the clouds hanging in, the white and gray, but no other color, which is good. I think we'll be dry today, and they'll ultimately make at least the mid-40s as we try to break the overcast, or at least thin it out, kind of raise the cloud layers a little bit. That'll allow for us to warm up. And then we're relatively mild tonight. We only drop in the mid-30s, but by this time tomorrow morning, we could actually see some light rain develop. Right now, I have us at about 34, so it doesn't look like we'll have to deal with the ice. Again, that's something we'll definitely check out at 4:30 for you tomorrow morning on Early Riser, kind of get you started if you want to join us there and let you know what's going on. But for today, mainly dry. Morning, low clouds, fog. Afternoon, clouds hang around. But look at that. We should shoot for about 47. Although, again, the winds will be up out of the south, gusting to 25. Tonight, then, some light rain late. Right now, we're going to keep it just above freezing at 34. But, again, tune in tomorrow morning. We'll let you know if that changes. And then a very changeable 7-day forecast. I was joking about this even with Deanne as we were in the commercial break. I said we got one of our more trusted models over here, one of them over here, especially toward the back half of the 7-day. There is some consistency, at least through the next couple of days. Showers tomorrow morning, still maybe a chance of some snow Thursday morning, although the trend with all the models is to push that to a little bit south of Omaha, but we'll watch. And I don't think it's going to be enough to give us a white Christmas, simply because even if we do get a little accumulation, we're back to near 40 Thursday afternoon, and Christmas Day looks to be mild in the lower 40s. And then light rain and drizzle now could be a possibility Friday afternoon for our Christmas Day. I think it's still in the liquid form Saturday, and then we're going to try to pull in some colder air potentially. If we have the moisture out, it really just, again, depends which computer solution you buy. Right now, there's a chance of rain or snow Sunday into Monday, but stay tuned, especially if you're going to be traveling, because that forecast, it's changing every day. The models are way out of whack with each other, so we'll continue to try to hammer that down as we get closer. Just a reminder, too, you can download Snowcast to your smartphone. We won't need it so much today. Maybe Thursday. We'll put it to the test. We'll see what happens with that forecast. Otherwise, a lot of winter left to get through, and again, you get that detailed forecast right for your exact location. All right, 5:18 is the time. Coming up on 5:19, 30 degrees. Breezy with some fog as we look toward Midtown Omaha. Stay with us. More right after.